The interpretation of band pattern, analysis of band pattern of different individual, comparison of position of bands. Computer software are also available for the analysis of DNA fingerprint. The diagnosis of inherited disorder. This is the uses or the application of DNA fingerprinting. Help diagnose disorder in both prenatal and newborn baby. Discord may include cystic fibrosis, hemophilia, Huntington disease, family Alzheimer's, sickle cell anemia, thalassemia, and much more. Crime. Forensic science is the use of scientific knowledge in legal situation. The DNA profile of each individual is highly specific. The chances of two people having exactly the same DNA profile is 30,000 million to 1, except for identical twins. The pattern of the DNA profile is then compared with those of the victim and the suspect. If the profile matches, the suspect is provides strong evidence that the suspect was present at the crime. It does not prove he committed the crime. If the profile does not match the suspect, then that suspect may be eliminated from the inquiry. A violent murder occurred. The forensic team retrieved blood sample from the crime scene. They prepared DNA profile of the blood sample, the victim and suspected as follows. So was the suspected at the crime? So this is the suspect profile. DNA pattern का suspected जो criminal है उसका ये प्रोफाइल है, और ये ब्लड सैंपल क्राइम सीन से मिला है, और ये विक्टिम का प्रोफाइल है. तो जो ब्लड सैंपल में जो डीएनए का पैटर्न है वो सस्पेक्ट का प्रोफाइल जो पैटर्न है वो मैच कर रहा है, यानी जो सस्पेक्ट पर्सन है वो जब क्राइम हुआ था तब वो वहाँ प्रेजेंट होता है, ये प्रूव कर रहा है. Solving medical problem. The DNA profile can be used to determine whether a particular person is the parent of a child. A child paternity and maternity can be determined. This information can be used in paternity suit, inheritance cases, and immigration cases. By comparing the DNA profile of mother and her child, identified DNA fragments in the child which are absent from the mother must therefore have been inherited from the biological father. तो in this man the father of the child. तो आप देखेंगे कि चाइल्ड के जो मदर का डीएनए पैटर्न है ये, और ये क्या है, फादर का डीएनए पैटर्न है. ओके, दिस इज द मदर डीएनए पैटर्न एंड दिस इज द फादर डीएनए पैटर्न एंड दिस इज एंड देयर चाइल्ड डीएनए पैटर्न. सो इससे हम पता कर सकते हैं कि दिस चाइल्ड इज बिलोंग टू देयर फादर, यानी ये जो पैटर्न है बैंड का वो फादर से मिल रहा है या फिर मदर से मिल रहा है. Then personal identification. The US Armed Service are just beginning a program where they are collect DNA finger. तो आप देख रहे हैं कि जो यहाँ तक क्या है कि जो डीएनए फ्रैगमेंट है यहाँ पे मदर्स का और चाइल्ड का मैच हो रहा है. ओके, यहाँ पे भी मैच हो रहा है, ठीक है. लेकिन अगर मदर से जहाँ के पैटर्न से जहाँ ये मैच नहीं हो रहा है तो वो उसके फादर से वो पैटर्न वो 50% चांस है कि वो अलग जो पैटर्न है वो उसके फादर से इनहेरिट हुआ होगा. तो इससे हम पता कर सकते हैं कि वो उसका जब हम चाइल्ड और फादर का डीएनए करेंगे, डीएनए फिंगरप्रिंट करेंगे, तो हमें ये पता चलेगा कि ये इंडिविजुअल चाइल्ड का फादर है या नहीं. यूज ऑफ डीएनए फिंगरप्रिंटिंग. Personal identification. The US Armed Service are just beginning a program where they collect DNA fingerprint from all personnel for later use in case they need to identify casualties or missing people. Some other uses of DNA fingerprint is identification of carcass of tissue, detection of somatic mutation or cancer, pathogen identification, detection of loci controlling quantitative trait or disease resistance, sex determination or individual identification. Famous cases in 2004, Elizabeth Hurley used DNA fingerprint to prove the Steve Bing was the father of her child, Tammy. Colin Pincock was the first criminal caught based on DNA fingerprint evidence. He was arrested in 1986 for the rape and murder of two girls, was sentenced in 1988. Thank you.